Fuck! Fuck me. Oh, fuck. Oh. No. Fuck no. What was that, bro? Huh? What was that? Fuck you open your door for?
Well, what are you writing in your...
That's legal.
No,
I'm riding. What are you doing?
this is not a lane.
Okay, it is one now.
This is a lane. That is a lane.
I'm in a lane.
What the hell? No problem.
I don't have a problem. You have a problem.
No, but I'm not going to you're going to have a problem.
Please do. Please do. Huh? No? Do you? Huh? What's legal? Having a motorcycle? Oh. I think it's legal. That's what I know. I'm from California. What's the problem? How am I hogging the whole road? It's one lane. It's one lane until it comes up to here. Yo! What are you doing? Get off my leg! Back the fuck up! You on my leg! You are on my leg! What the fuck are you doing? Are you kidding me? Hold on.
Didn't catch you, did it, mate?
Say again?
Didn't get you, did it?
No, no, no.
Oh, sweet.
It rattled all the way along the side of my car.
Hey?
It rattled all the way along the side of my car. Watching the accidents happen, you've got a duty to...
That's just some fucking loose. Man.
Alright.
It's damaged my car. You've got to deal with
I'll do
it.
my details if you want.
Just pull over to the left. Just pull over to the left. You're good, bruv.
Yeah, man.
Good luck, innit?